is there. Should I directly start? Dr. Barada, should I directly start?
Yes, sir. We will start, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon to all of you. May I know the participant has already been practiced all these things that I taught yesterday. If anybody is facing, any problem, they can ask. So I can take 2-3 questions initially.
Okay, sir, this is Manisha. I worked out on the file which you explained yesterday. So I'm not able to generate the output, like while analyzing output when calculating the estimates. If you can please, repeat that. What all things to be, included initially in this model.
Okay. So
if you can just reiterate the last section.
So my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
So this is the thing I have done yesterday. If you can remember it correctly. This is the thing I have done yesterday.
Yes, sir.
So directly you go to the analyze. Clear?
Okay.
Then calculate estimate. But prior to that, you must have made your Amos input to the SPSS file. So in order to give your SPSS file input to the Amos, you need to go to this select data file. Please look at my cursor movement. So select data file, then locate your SPSS data file. Already my data file has been incorporated. That's why it is showing. Locate your data file. I have put it in desktop. Then ASBM workshop. Then ASBM workshop, data file for ASBM workshop. So open, then OK. So have you done this, madam? Have you done this? Madam, have you done this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did that. Actually, in the output, I'm not getting the figures. I saved.
Please go on saying yes or no to my activities.
Okay. So there is some network. There must be some network.
Then have patience. Then you need to click. You need to check what you get, what you want to get. So go to the analyze property, the conjugative, the subsequent window. Analyze property. Look at my cursor movement. Analyze properties. Click there. Perhaps these things you have not checked. Go to the output and check all these things. Have you done this? Yes.
Okay, sir. I think there is some something which I missed. So I just wanted to understand these, the tick on which we can do code.
Madam, just follow what I'm saying. Have you ticked all these things?
No, sir, not. I think not all. Few of them is left. Let me do if I can be able to work it out.
Still, at least 2-3 you have ticked?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, very good. Then close. Then analyze. In order to analyze, there are two options. Go to the analyze, then calculate estimate, or directly you can click here. See, it has been written analyze. Calculate the analyze. Now I am calculating. The calculation process is going on. See, in the right hand side, there is a box. Calculation process is going on. Once this like figure are appearing, look at here, look at my cursor movement. Once these figures are appearing, then it is final that your calculation process is over. Done, madam?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Once your calculation process will be successfully over, look at by the upper red highlighted arrow mark. Red highlighted arrow mark.
Yes.
So
sir.
Once it is automatically highlighted, that means your operation is successfully done.
Okay.
Your operation is successfully done. Then click here.
Okay.
Look at here. The figures are appearing.
Yes, sir.
Could you do this? Could you follow me?
Yes, sir. I'm doing that only. I'm seeing your screen and trying to understand. Let me do if I can come back to you within a while, please.
So is there any problem? This is the
No, sir.
output you
Clear.
this is the output you wanted to ask, or some other output you wanted to ask?
No, sir. I'm not. I think I missed any of the step. Let me do. I'll get back to you after a while, please. Give me.
Okay, that is okay. But I am asking, this is the output you wanted to ask?
Yes,
You
sir.
wanted
Yes,
to...
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I want.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
That
You
means
answered.
that means you could follow the steps.
Okay. I think I missed any of the. Anyway, sir.
That means
Okay.
that
I
means you
got
could...
it.
Okay, that means you could follow the steps correctly.
Okay. Sir.
Madam, did you follow the steps correctly?
Yes, sir. I'm doing.
Okay.
I got it now.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Any other question, any other difficulty anybody has faced yesterday who has practiced? Anyone?
Sir, I wanted to ask, like, whenever we are importing that SPSS file in this particular software, like whenever we're opening a new one, again the same procedure has to be done, or but
Yes. Whenever you are opening a new one, the same procedure you need to follow. If you are doing different practices on the same Amos graphic, then no need to import repeatedly. But if you are doing some new procedure, you need to do the same procedure repeatedly.
so like last yesterday session that we have done, we have imported and we have done that mapping, and we have found out the error value and all. And I think my graph was not that, so I did it. I opened a new one again. So do I need to again?
Yes, if you have opened a new one, again you have to make the data file input.
Okay, because it is showing the standardized, unstandardized estimates. Example. So I thought whether we have to do it or not.
No. Have you incorporated the SPSS data file successfully?
Yes, sir. I have incorporated in the last session yesterday. I have incorporated it successfully.
Okay. Now you are asking regarding unstandardized and standardized. Is that right?
Yes, sir. And I'm also asking if I'm opening a new one again. Suppose there is some error and I was not able to do it properly. I opened a new file.
Again, you need to incorporate the data file. Again, you need to locate the data file.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So now, now you are asking the unstandardized and standardized. Look at the left hand side. Two things are there: unstandardized estimate and standardized estimate.
Yes, sir.
By default, Amos will give you unstandardized. Just click on standardize. It will give you standardized. Nothing else. Clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
By default, Amos will give you unstandardized. Just click on the standardized estimate. It will give you standardized estimate. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay. So anybody else? Any other doubt? Any other difficulty anybody has faced yesterday while practicing the things? Anybody? Okay. So
yeah, excuse me, sir. Yesterday we got chi-square value 365 point something, and today it is not showing, sir.
Do not worry, I will show you where it is there. It is there in another output file. Do not worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So our today's job is to know the validity and reliability. Today's job is to know the validity and reliability of the data or of the programs or of the models that you have tested or that you have measured. My PPT is visible to all? My PPT is visible?
Yes.
Anybody?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Anybody should go on saying yes or no. Okay.
Yes, sir. But your voice is breaking, sir.
Voice is breaking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it is clear. Now it is clear.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I think it may be from my side also. It may be sometimes it may happen.
Okay, now it is clear. Okay, so we are discussing reliability and validity and the modification indices. So many things are there today, but unfortunately everything will be covered or not, I do not know. See, look at here, look at this model. What is reliability and validity in case of SCM or in case of CFA? Now let us discuss only for a CFA, confirmatory factor analysis. First, let me cover the overall meaning of reliability and validity. The reliability refers to the internal consistency, and reliability refers to over the time period, over the situation. In different situation, if you measure the same item under the same model, then you will get similar result. This is what reliability. But what is validity? Validity is the construct validity. Look at here, validity is the construct validity. That means under F1 there are 5 variables, under F2 there are 5 variables, under F3, F4, F5 there are 4 variables each, or 4 indicators each, or 4 exogenous variables each, whatever you can say. Now every constructs are carrying their respective indicators. Is it valid for every situation? That means construct validity is saying how far you can give the guarantee, how far you can give the guarantee that exactly these 5 variables are coming under F1, exactly another 5 set of these 5 set of variables or indicators are coming under F2, exactly these 4 indicators are coming under construct F3. How far you can give the guarantee? Why I cannot assume that BSI 5 will not come under F2? How can I give the guarantee that, look at here, the BSI 10 will not come under F3 or F4 or F5? If I can give the guarantee, or if I can prove that exactly BSI 1 to BSI 5 will come under F1, not under F2, not under F3, not under F4, not under F5. So this is what called as construct validity. This is what called as construct validity. Now coming to the validity and reliability, please look at here. So this reliability and validity in most of the cases are called as a psychometrical property test, testing the psychometric properties. This reliability and validity in most of the cases in our management research called as testing of psychometric properties. Testing of psychometric properties. That means in the psychological test, some instrument, the instrument you are using for data collection need to be reliable. One way of reliability is internal consistency. We have already discussed. So many other way of reliability are there. One way of reliability is the internal consistency. We have already discussed that internal consistency means how far the indicators under a particular construct are showing the internal consistency. That means more or less they are showing the similar relationship among themselves, a strong bonding among themselves. That is the internal consistency among BSI 1 to BSI 5 so far as F1 is concerned. There is another internal consistency so far as BSI 6 to BSI 10 so far as F2 is concerned. Likewise. So one way of reliability we have already discussed, that is internal consistency. Another way of reliability is already there, composite reliability. We will discuss the composite reliability later on. Now look at here, the reliability. That is a book by the George and Muller. That is a book by George and Muller. And George and Muller said, if the Cronbach alpha is more than 0.9, then the internal consistency is excellent. If it is from 0.8 to 0.9, it is good. And so far as 0.7 to 0.8 is acceptable. And below 0.7, nowadays no article will accept it. That means the internal consistency among BSI 1 to BSI 5 in our example is very less. It is questionable. Generally, the thesis examiner will not accept if the Cronbach alpha is less than 0.7. Nowadays, even it is accepted more than 0.8. According to George and Muller, they have written a book regarding SPSS. Please listen. The book is step by step SPSS. So they have given this indication. Now coming to validity. So this is what construct validity. What the validity is saying, the accuracy of outcome of a test. How can we say the test is giving accurate outcome? How far we'll say the test is giving accurate outcome? So some authors said, most of the researchers said there are two set of validity. There are two set of validity. One is convergent validity, another one is discriminant validity. Validity can be analyzed by two set of validity. One is convergent validity, one is discriminant validity. Please concentrate from here very carefully. Please concentrate. Suppose I will say under F1, BSI 1 is there, BSI 2 is there, BSI 3 is there, BSI 4 is there, and BSI 5 is there. BSI 5 is there. Please try to understand. BSI 5 is there. And under F2, BSI 6 to 10. BSI 6 to 10 are there. Now, what is the assumption of the what is the assumption of the confirmatory factor analysis and SCM? I have already said, assumption is that there is a strong covariance or correlationship among these 5 variables. There is another strong covariance or correlationship among these variables. Try to understand. There is a strong covariance or correlationship among these 5 variables and separately among these 5 variables. How strong bonding is there? Strong bonding in statistics we are calculating by covariance or standardized correlationship. If the covariance or standardized correlationship is very strong or is very high among these 5, then we can say they are converged into F1. Hence, that is convergent validity. They are converged into F1, hence convergent validity. There is a strong relationship among BSI 1 to BSI 5 in our example. Strong relationship. What is the indication of strong relationship? I will show you in the operation, Amos operation. Do not worry. Just now you know BSI 1 to BSI 5 are converging into F1, not to F2, not to anything else. They converge to F1. That means validity, one way of validity is over. What is that validity? Convergent validity. There is a strong relationship. There is a strong correlationship. Specifically, the covariance is very strong or the covariance value is very high. Generally, the covariance value we are accepting above 0.6. If it is above 0.7, it is very good. Generally, we are accepting if the covariance is above 0.6 for every indicator, then if for every indicator the covariance is above 0.6 or correlationship is above 0.6, greater than 0.6, that means we are saying there is a strong correlationship from BSI 1 to BSI 5, hence they converge into F1. And the same procedure you need to follow for F2, you need to follow for F3, you need to follow for F4. The same procedure you need to follow for F2, F3, F4, F5. That means the same procedure you need to follow for all 5 constructs separately. So this will examine the convergent validity. I hope you are clear, all of you. Now, discriminant validity. What is discriminant validity? Try to understand. Please have a very carefully. Please understand very carefully. These 5 indicators are forming F1, not forming F2. What does it mean? These 5 indicators are successfully discriminating F1 from F2, from F3, from F4, from F5. These 5, please look at my cursor movement. These 5 indicators or exogenous variables or independent variables are successfully, how far successfully discriminating F1 from rest of the constructs or from rest of the latent variables or from rest of the factors, whatever you say. Likewise, these 5 variables or indicators, how far discriminating F2, from rest of the 4 constructs. The same is the case. How far these 4, in rest of the construct there are 4 indicators. How far these 4 indicators are successfully discriminating F5 from rest of the 4. So this is what called as discriminant validity. I will show you in the Amos operation. I hope you are clear till now. I hope you are clear till now.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, any doubt?
Sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
Sir, can you explain the discriminant validity again?
Which thing? Please repeat.
Sir, discriminant validity, can you explain it again, sir?
Okay. See, look at here what I said. The F1 is built up of BSI1, BSI2, BSI3, BSI4, BSI5 in my example. So BSI1 to BSI5, they are building F1. You will ask the question, why not it is possible that they are building to some extent F2, they are building to some extent F3. So my question is, or my explanation will be, to your question, my explanation will be, how far BSI1 to BSI5 is discriminating F1 from F2, F3, F4, F5. That means how far the underlying 5 indicators, of construct 1 is discriminating the construct 1 from the rest of the constructs. Because the researcher has specified BSI1 to BSI5 under F1. How far it is valid? Why not the BSI1 will come under F2? Why not the BSI2 will come under F3 or F4? Why not? Maybe come under F2 or F3, but very negligibly. So that is the reason we are saying how far, how strongly, how significantly BSI1, BSI2, BSI3, BSI4, BSI5 is discriminating F1 from rest of the 4 constructs or latent variables. If to my question you are saying, yes sir, significantly the BSI1 to BSI5 are discriminating F1, are differentiating F1, are isolating F1 from rest of the 4 constructs, then the discriminant validity is proof. If you say, sir, successfully or significantly, in the statistics a word you are using significant. Significantly BSI1 to BSI5 are differentiating the underlying construct F1 from rest of the construct, then that is called as a discriminant validity. Got my point, madam? Got my point?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So will there be any statistical value to show how strongly
yes.
it is? Okay.
Yes,
And
yes, I will
in
show
case
you.
it is strongly discriminating F1 from the rest of the constructs, then the value should be higher.
In the
Okay.
statistical value, I will show you. Do not worry. Clear?
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So this is the thing I have already discussed. It is because I want to devote more time to the hands-on practices. So I am explaining overall all these PPT explanations. No need to go. Look at here. Just to explain. In the SCM, one thing is validity, one thing is reliability. Already I have discussed repeatedly since last 3 sessions the internal consistency. This is simply we can calculate the Cronbach alpha. Another thing is composite reliability. This composite reliability I will show you while I will make the Amos operation. Also, this composite reliability is proving the convergent validity. This composite reliability is also proving convergent validity. Now coming to the validity. Validity can be proved by 2 separate measures. Validity can be proved by 2 separate measures. One is discriminant validity, one is convergent validity. So the convergent validity and discriminant validity, the theoretical explanation I have made. Now I will make how it will be observed, how it will be tested by real measurement or in the CFA. So all the explanation I have made, I have done that. So later on I will come here, do not worry. Later on I will come here. See, look at here. The reliability, for the reliability, Cronbach alpha should be more than 0.7. Madam was asking what is the value. Look at here. For the reliability, the Cronbach alpha should be more than 0.7 plus the composite reliability should be more than 0.7. In addition to the Cronbach alpha, the CR, composite reliability, should be more than 0.7. And for the convergent validity, again, the composite reliability must be more than 0.7, CR value must be more than 0.7, plus the CR value must be more than AVE and ASB. I will show you what is AVE and ASB, do not worry. Plus AVE must be more than 0.5. What is that AVE? I will show you, do not worry. For the discriminant validity, MSB and ASB. MSB means maximum shared variance. ASB means average shared variance. AVE means average variance extracted. So MSB and ASB must be lesser than AVE. I repeat, MSB means maximum shared variance. ASB means average shared variance. These two things must be less than average variance extracted, AVE. It is very easy to understand while I will make the Amos operation. Do not worry at all. All of you clear? So now look at here pictorially. What is reliability and validity? Look at here pictorially. So a simulation will be done. There will be a shooting competition. One shooter made all the attempts into the first circle. And almost distributed equally to all 4 quadrants. So this is the perfect example of both reliable and valid. Now look at the second example. Second shooter has shoot in such a manner that all 4 quadrants got more or less same shooting but in different circles. So it is valid but not reliable. Now third shooter shoot all the shooting to a particular quadrant. That means quadrant means nearby to the mean value. So it is reliable but not valid. That means all the observed variables, all the observed values must be nearby to the mean value and their variance should be equally distributed. Their error terms should be normally distributed. All the observed values must be nearby to the mean, and their variance or standard deviation must be normally distributed, must show a normal distribution or nearby normal distribution, may not be exactly normal distribution or nearby a normal distribution. So this is a pictorial representation of reliability and validity. I hope clear to some extent. I hope clear to some extent.
Yes.
I hope all of you are clear to some extent. Any doubt till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, look at here. So now I will go to the Amos operation. All of you are ready for the Amos operation? All of you are ready for the Amos
Yes,
operation?
Yes, sir.
Please open your yesterday's file. Please open your yesterday's file. Please open your yesterday's file. Yes. Madam, you are saying something? Please open your yesterday's file. All of you have opened. Anybody can answer? All of you have opened.
SPSS file or Amos. In the Amos
Both.
only we have to open the.
Both
Okay,
you need
sir.
to open. Both you need to open.
Yes, sir. Both are open, sir.
Okay. Now, just in the beginning of the class, I have operated. Please operate. Just in the beginning of the class or beginning of the session, I have operated. Please operate. Such like figures you will get. Such like figures you get after you clicking on the upward highlighted arrow mark, red arrow mark. Now let me back again. See the upward arrow mark, which is red highlighted. If I will click here, all the values will be appearing to me. So have you done the operation? Have you done?
Yes,
Anybody?
sir.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. I
Yes.
asked about the query. I run the output, but I'm not able to get the figures till now. You know, I followed the entire process, but I'm not getting the figures on my
Which figure?
diagram.
Which figure?
So the output, the estimates, the
Okay, your
output which is
red upward arrow
no,
mark is highlighted or not?
no, sir, not yet.
That means your operation is failed.
Okay.
let me see so that everybody can see what is the doubt. So
Okay,
please,
sir.
I request the administrator to give the access to madam. May I know your name, madam?
My name is Manisha, sir. Manisha.
I request the administrator, please give the access to the Manisha madam. I am stopping my sharing. Manisha madam, you please share
Yes,
your
sir.
screen. Please
Yes,
share your
sir.
screen.
Sir, I'm not able to get the shared link as now.
I request the administrator, please give the access. I have already stopped the sharing so that Manisha madam can share. Anybody, Baroda sir? I request the administrator, please give the access. Madam, could you do this?
No, sir, not yet. I haven't got any. It's not linked.
Anybody from the administrators, from the ASBM?
Or sir, you may continue once we'll sync in after. Let me really follow the steps.
Anybody else is facing the same problem?
We test check किया ना कब है next?
Anybody else is facing the same problem?
Yes, sir, me too.
Or sir, you may repeat the same steps on your screen and I'll follow it from here.
Access dele se mane open karibe na. Yes. Okay. I have said to the administrator, do not worry.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. By the time anybody is having any other problem?
जितने यूनिट्स का है उतने यूनिट में से कितनी प्रिपेयर है?
By the time anybody is having any other problem,
ये चीज ध्यान रख.
Or sir, you may repeat on your own screen and I'll follow the steps from here if it is okay. I mean, I don't know.
Now all are allowed to present whatever they want.
Dr. Barada, please give the access to the Manisha madam.
Sir, I have given to everyone. So
No,
Okay,
sir,
okay.
I haven't got any. It's not accessible from my side.
Please share your screen, then open. Manisha
No,
madam,
sir.
please share.
No, sir. Sir, I'm not able to click on the sharing link.
Access has been given to all, na?
No, sir. For camera, they have given the right, but not for
Okay,
this.
okay. Now, sir, I'm able to.
Now we can see. Yeah.
Sir, is it visible?
Visible, yes.
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, I'm not getting these.
Please operate. Please.
Okay.
Please, madam, please follow what I am saying. Please follow one by one.
Okay, sir.
First, incorporate your data file. Yes. No. Please locate again. Please look. No. Locate again. File name. File name. Yes. Locate where your data file is there. Locate.
Okay.
Where your data file is there. Please click on there.
Should
File
I say
name.
okay? Yes, sir.
No.
I inserted.
File name.
Sir, file name I already inserted.
I could not get that.
Sir, I did it. Just
Okay.
a second. I do it again. Just a second, sir.
Then okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now go to the estimate. Yes. This. Yes. Click there. Go to the output. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Close that. Then estimate.
Should I say?
Yes. Click.
I clicked it, sir. It's not happening. No, sir. Nothing is happening.
Any error is showing?
No, sir. No error.
Acha, F1, F2, F3. That is error. What you have done, you have made manually the F4 and F5. Is that right, madam? Yes, you have
F1.
done manually. See, look at here. Please listen carefully.
Yes,
look at
sir.
here. Please listen carefully. The F1 to F1 to BSI 5. Please look at it is 1. Clear?
Oh, yes.
Likewise, F2 to BSI 10. Again, 1 is there. Restriction 1 is there. Clear? Yes or no? Madam, go on saying yes or no.
No, sir. That's what I'm locating. What you are saying.
Please listen. BSI 3, sorry, F3 to BSI 14. The restriction is there 1. Yes or no?
Restrictions.
Madam, yes?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Likewise, there is no restriction in the F4 and F5.
Okay.
So click any of the arrow mark of the F4. Click any, whatever I'm saying, please do. Please click any of the arrow mark, double click. Go to the parameter. Close that, again double click. Close that, again double click. Double click. Madam, double click.
Sir, I'm doing double click only.
Parameter.
Okay.
Standard regression weight put 1.
Okay.
Close that. Close. Same procedure you do here.
Okay.
What you are doing? Close. Save here. There is a save button. Madam, there is a save button. Why you are going there? There is a save button. In the left hand side, there is a save button.
Like the TV.
Please, like the previous time, your floppy disk. There is a save button like floppy disk. Where your all other upper, yes, save. Now again estimate.
Should I go directly to
yes, estimate.
Okay, yes, sir.
Now see, highlight has happened. Done.
Yes. Okay, yes, sir. Done.
I think anybody was facing any such problem now getting the clarification. This is the reason I was asking madam to open so that everybody can learn. Madam, done now?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
See, it is because so many things are there within the short time period. Everything cannot be taught. So many things are there. I said yesterday, any one indicator to or any one parameter to latent variable must be restricted to one, so that other regression weight can be measured. It is the mandatory aspect according to Amos principle. So madam has lost that. Probably madam has done manually F4 and F5. If she would have done by that particular highlighted area, then it would have automatically appeared. But madam has done F1, F4 and F5 manually. That is the reason that restriction has been disappeared. Now everybody might have been learn what is happening. Madam, now please stop sharing. Stop sharing. Madam, stop sharing.
Yes, sir. I'm doing that. I'm not getting the link again.
So let it be open. Just you stop sharing. Let it be open for you. Stop sharing.
They are already did. I think there is. The organizers can do it from there also if they can do. I'm not able to do it from here.
Okay.
Sir, who wants to share, sir?
No. Now you stop everything. I will show.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now all of you able to see my screen? Anybody can answer? All of you able to see my screen?
Yes,
Anybody
sir.
can answer? Anybody should answer me repeatedly. Otherwise, I am thinking that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will go to the validity and reliability now. I hope till now the basic operation everybody knows. Now I will go to the validity and reliability. Look at here. Again, I will calculate in order to show you the measurement values. Now see the measurement values. The same measurement values are there in an output screen. How to see the output screen? Please listen carefully, all of you. Go to the view. There is a option text output. Click there. There is an option text output. Click there. Automatically another screen will appear by showing all the text output. All of you have done this?
Yes,
all
sir.
of you have done this?
Yes, sir.
Automatically another screen will appear by showing the text output screen. All of you have done this? This like screen is appearing. This like screen is appearing. Please see me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to the estimate. In the left hand side, so many things are there. Go to the estimate. Click on estimate. Such like screen is opening.
In the view only, sir.
Are you are saying yes, sir? Again you are asking.
Yes.
Again I am going.
Got it, sir.
All of you please listen carefully. Again I am doing. Go to the view. Go to the text.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, excuse me, sir. Still your voice is breaking. May I request you to stop your video, sir? I think then your bandwidth will work properly, sir.
Okay. Now I am audible.
Yes,
Audible
sir.
clearly.
Yes, sir.
Go to the view. All of you go to the view. Go to the text output. Click there. Go to the view. Go to the text output. Click there. All of you have done.
Yes, sir.
This like screen is automatically appearing separately. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now look at here. Yesterday somebody was
Yes.
asking what is degree of freedom. Here is the degree of freedom. Look at here. The number of distinct sample movement is 253. Number of distinct parameters to be estimated 54. That means 54 parameters are there. So 253 minus 54. So degree of freedom is 199. Degree of freedom is 199. How it is 54? Look at the screen. How it is 54? 22. Please look at 22 observed variables. 22. Please look at here. 22 observed variables. And 22 error variables. So it is 44.
44. Yes, sir.
Then another 10. This is what 10. 22, 44. Then this is 48. 54.
Hello.
I will come back. I will come back. Do not worry. I will come back. Let me go to the validity and reliability.
Sir, but I am getting number of distinct samples is 275 and district parameters is 76.
How come it is possible? It should not be. It should not be. Okay. Let me complete first. Let me complete the reliability, validity. Then I will come to you all. I will come to you all one by one. Okay. Go to the left hand side. Go to the left hand side estimates. Go to the left hand side estimates. Click there. Click there. All of you done this much?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look at here. BSI 1 is loaded on factor 1 by 0.814. BSI 2 is loaded on F1 by 0.747. BSI 3 is loaded on F1 by 0.745. Anybody is asking anything? Anybody is asking
Okay,
anything?
sir. The values may be different, sir. Sir, I have got F1 is estimate is 1. Then BSI 2 estimate is 0.915. Can it be, sir? Or there are some differences in the data, sir?
Madam, sir, please go to the standardized estimate. Standardized estimate.
Okay, sir.
Go to the standardized estimate.
regression per.
Please go to the standardized estimate.
So,
The standardized
yes, sir.
estimate.
Yes, yes, sir. Oh, just after the first table, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Go to the standardized
Got it,
regression
sir.
weight.
Yes, got it, sir.
BSI 1 to
F4. Yes,
BSI
sir.
1 to. Are somebody is disturbing? Please mute your microphone. Somebody is disturbing. Please
Yes,
mute
sir.
your microphone. Okay. So look at here. BSI 1 to F1 is 0.814. All of you got this?
Yes, sir.
BSI 2 to F1 0.747. All of you got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now these values are appearing here. These values are appearing here. Look at here. These values are appearing here. 0.81, look at here. Then 0.75, then 0.74. These values are here.
Sir, yeah, in the diagram, sir.
In the diagram, yes. Please look at my cursor movement, my screen. These values are here. 0.81. See, it is written 0.814, so it is 0.81. Then it is 0.747. It can be taken as 0.75. 0.747 can be taken as 0.75. BSI 2 to F1. Look at the diagram. Look at the diagram. It is showing 0.75. Look at my cursor movement. It is showing 0.75. Look at my cursor movement. It is showing 0.75. Is that right? Is that right? Is that right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That means, what is AVE? I was saying AVE, average variance extracted. That means all the variance explained by BSI 1 to BSI 5 will be added on, will be sum of divided by 5. Very simple. So what you need to do, all of you please calculate. 0.814 plus 0.747 plus 0.745 plus 0.779 plus 0.748 divided by 5. Very simple. All of you please look at here. Please look at my cursor movement. You can directly calculate here also. 0.81. 0.81. Please look at my cursor movement. Plus 0.74. Please look at my cursor movement. Plus 0.61. Sorry, no, plus 0.78. Plus 0.75. Please look at my cursor movement. All of you are getting my point? All the standardized regression weight of 5 indicators, BSI 1 to BSI 5, you need to sum up divided by 5. How much you are getting? Please do it. How much you are getting? Please do it.
Can you please show it once again, sir? I have already done it. I have got it 0.7666. Sir, how you have calculated? Yeah. Yes, sir. But how you have calculated in the diagram itself? Can you please repeat?
Please look at my cursor movement. Please look at my cursor
yes,
movement.
Yes, sir.
0.81. See, look at here. 0.81 is moving. 0.81. Clear? 0.75
yes, sir.
plus 0.75. Clear? 0.75 plus. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Plus 0.74 plus 0.61
yes, sir.
plus 0.78 plus 0.78. Look at my cursor movement. Plus 0.75 divided by 5, because 5 indicators are there. How much value you are getting? All of you please do it in the Excel sheet or in your calculator.
Yeah, sir.
0.766.
Yes, how much you are getting?
0.7666. So can we calculate it on the diagram itself, sir?
No. In an Excel sheet or separately you will calculate.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done it, sir.
Done it. Likewise, do it for F2, F3, F4, F5. For the F2, please do it for F2. It is 0.75. Look at my cursor movement. It is 0.75 plus 0.77 plus 0.80 plus 0.76. Look at my cursor movement. 0.76 plus 0.74 divided by 5. How much you are getting? How much you are getting?
0.764.
Very good. Please record it. Please hold it. Now come to the F3. Now come to the F3. Please add, look at my cursor movement. BSI 11 to F3. It is 0.75. 0.75 plus 0.74. Look at my cursor movement. 0.74 plus 0.81. 0.81 plus 0.75 divided by 4, because 4 indicators are there. Divided by 4 because 4 indicators are there. How much you are
0.762.
Very good. Very good. Now coming to the F4. Coming to the F4. Look at my cursor movement. BSI 15 to F4, it is 0.75. Look at my cursor movement. So 0.75 plus 0.87, 0.87 plus 0.74 plus 0.74. Look at my cursor movement. 74 plus 0.77 divided by 4. Divided by 4 because 4 indicators are there under F4. How much you are getting?
0.782.
Very good. Now please record it. Do not delete it. Please hold it. Record it. Do not delete. Then coming to F5. Coming to F5. Look at here. BSI 22 on F5. BSI 22 on F5. It is 0.76. 0.76 plus 0.75. I'm moving the values. If you can look at my screen, I'm moving the values. Plus 0.75 plus 0.76 plus 0.75. I repeat, 0.76, 0.75, 0.76, 0.75, 76, 75, 76, 75 divided by 4. How much it is coming?
0.755.
Okay. So all the values are above 0.5. All the values are above 0.5.
Yes, sir.
So
yes,
look
sir.
at the values. All the values are above 0.5. Yes,
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Now look at here. Look at my PPT. ABE should be more than 0.5. All of you got ABE is more than 0.5? All of you got ABE
Yes.
is more than 0.5? The value you obtained are called as average variance extracted. The values you obtained are called as average variance extracted. It must be more than 0.5. It must be more than 0.5 so that it will be called as, the underlying indicators are significantly converging into their respective constructs, are significantly converging into their respective constructs. So construct validity is proven in one angle. Construct validity is proven in one angle. All of you got? All of you understood?
Yes,
any
sir.
problem till now? Any problem till now? Anybody is facing any problem?
Okay, sir. Please repeat, sir.
Repeat.
Yes, sir.
See, look at my PPT.
Got
Please
it,
look
sir. Yeah, that part we have understood, but last part, sir. After AV is greater than 0.5.
AV is greater than 0.5 means the underlying variables are successfully converging into or significantly converging into significantly converging into the respective factor or construct. That means
okay, sir. Yes, these five variables, they can represent, they can explain in the first contract F1, first factor F1.
Likewise, all other separate 4 constructs are explained by their underlying indicators. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Because all ABE are more than 0.5. Probably all ABE are more than 0.7. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I think only one participant is attending. Others are not saying anything.
I think no, sir.
All of you are getting?
We are getting.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So one part is over. Now look at my slide. Look at my slide. All of you please look at my slide. One part is over. We have already proven all the ABE are more than 0.5. All the ABE are more than 0.5. Now the next value is all the CR should be more than 0.7. Composite reliability. Composite reliability should be more than 0.7. So that both reliability and convergent validity will be proven in another angle, in another criteria. All of you got it? Now look at here.
Yes,
whatever you have done, I have shown pictorially. Please look at my PPT. Whatever we have done, I have shown pictorially. See, all the standardized regression weight here are called as lambda. All the standardized regression weight are called as lambda. Look at here. All the standardized regression weight has been taken into an Excel sheet and added up, divided by number of indicators. So ABE obtained. Now this is the formula of ABE. Very simple formula. Look at my PPT. This is the formula of ABE. Very simple formula. ABE is equal to summation of lambda square divided by n. Clear? Now we will go to CR, composite reliability. Look at the formula, composite reliability. What is composite reliability? Please, somebody's microphone is on, please off it. What is composite reliability? Summation of lambda square divided by summation of lambda square plus error, summation of error. What is error? What is error? Error is the amount of variance explained and the amount of variance that cannot be explained. The total amount of variance is 1. So 1 minus amount of variance explained is error. 1 minus amount of variance is explained is error. So look at our, please look at our own analysis. Please look at our own analysis. Amount of variance explained and how much has not been explained. 1 minus that much is error. 1 minus that much is error. So 1 minus 0.75, 1 minus 0.78, 1 minus 0.74, likewise. This is what called as error. All of you clear? This is what called as error. Now, lambda value we have the lambda value. Look at the PPT. We have the lambda value. Lambda value means the standardized regression weight. Simply we can calculate the error values. One by one error value we can calculate in the Excel sheet. One by one error value we can calculate in the Excel sheet by deducting By deducting standardized regression weight from 1, we can get the error value. By deducting standardized regression weight from 1, we can get error value.
So what
I
is
repeat,
lambda value?
lambda values are nothing but regression weights. Look at here. These are all the lambda values. Regression weights. Look at my cursor movement. Lambda value of BSI 1 is 0.841. Lambda value of BSI 2 is 0.747. You can take it as 0.75.
Got it, sir.
Lambda value of BSI 3 is 0.745. You can take it as 0.75. So 1 minus 0.814, 1 minus 0.745, sorry, 0.75, 1 minus 0.75, 1 minus 0.78. Likewise, you can calculate the error values.
Error term. Yeah. Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear. Clear, sir. Clear.
So likewise, only for the F1, please calculate. Only for the F1, please calculate the error values. So that I can show you. Please calculate the error value. Only for the error value. Papan, are you calculating? Papan, are you calculating? Papan, are you calculating? Anybody is calculating? Anybody is calculating? Suman, are you there? Suman, are you there? Lakshmikant, are you there?
Sir, we are here. We are calculating. We are assessing the values.
Okay, Lakshmikant, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Lakshmikant.
Calculating. Yes, sir.
Lakshmikant, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Calculating.
Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Calculate every error value.
Okay, sir.
Calculate every error value.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Could you get the error value? Sarika, are you there? Sarika,
No,
are
sir,
you
I'm
there?
calculating.
So 1.167.
Yes, sir,
Sir, it
yes.
should be divided by 5 also after that, after deducting from 1 each time.
Are divided by 5, that work is over. That is AVE. That work is over. That is AVE. Now I am talking about CR. Suraj Mani, are you asking something?
Yes, sir, I have deducted from 1 every time, sir. For like first construct F1.
Ha. So these are all error values. Clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have
So
already
are
got
these values? Yeah. Are these values 0.24, 0.25, 0.26, 0.22, and 0.26?
These are all error values. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, please follow me. Please follow me. All the lambda values are simply regression weights. All the lambda values are simply regression weight. Square all the lambda values separately. Square all the lambda values separately. No, sorry. I'm sorry. Please hold on. Add on the lambda values, then square. Add on the lambda values, then square. Add on the lambda values of a single construct F1, then square it. Add the lambda values of a single construct, then square it. Add the lambda values of a single construct, then square it. Then square it. Done it? Done it? Add the lambda values of a single construct, then square it. Have you done?
Yes, sir. 14.6689.
Point?
14.14.6689.
Again, please repeat.
14.66. No, sir. Lambda values are added. No, sir. 14.6689.
What you are saying, I am not getting. 14 point.
Yes, sir.
14 point.
6689.
Total, tell me. Lakshmikant, are you calculating?
14 point.
14 point
6689. Yes, sir.
So this much. I have written it correctly.
Yes,
I have
sir.
written it correctly.
Okay, sir. It's 6689 or 669. Okay, sir.
Have I written it correctly? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what lambda square, summation of lambda square. Clear? Now,
Clear, sir.
Now add all the error values. Add all the error values. Add all the error values.
The 1.167.
1.167.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now follow the formula. Look at your formula. That means 14.669 divided by 14.669 divided by 14.669. Please look at here. I'm writing 14.669 plus 1.167. How much you are getting? How much you are getting?
1.5129.
How come 1 point?
Maybe, sir, because of the decimal point, sir.
No. What is the result? Total result I am asking. How come it will be more than 1? 14.669.
Okay.
Divided by.
Okay, sir. Yeah, let me do it, sir.
It's 0.926.
0.926.
0.926.
Very good. 0.926. Very good. So this is what composite reliability. Look at the formula. Composite reliability. Summation of lambda square divided by summation of lambda square plus summation of error. Very simple. Summation of standardized regression weight square or square of summation of standardized regression weight divided by square of summation of standardized regression weight plus square of summation of error. Very simple. Composite reliability. Composite reliability is equal to square of summation of standardized regression weight divided by square of summation of standardized regression weight plus square of summation of error. Very simple. This is what composite reliability.
Yeah, 0.906.
Okay. Anyway, it is above 0.9. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now look at the standard. The standard is saying if the CR will be more than 0.7, then another angle of validity, convergent validity is proven plus reliability is proven. This is what CR, composite reliability. CR means composite reliability. If composite reliability value is more than 0.7, another criteria of convergent validity is proven plus reliability is proven for that particular construct, that is F1. For the F1, this is proven. All of you clear? All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Up to this, all of you clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anybody is having any doubt? Up to this, all of you clear? Anybody is having any doubt till now?
No, sir.
No. Now, another thing of validity, that is discriminant validity. Another criteria of validity, that is discriminant validity. Till now, we have proven reliability, we have proven convergent validity. Another criteria, most important criteria, that is discriminant validity. Because it is saying how far BSI 1 to BSI 5 are significantly discriminating F1 from rest of the 4 construct. So this will be known by the maximum shared variance MSB and average shared variance ASB. Look at here my cursor movement from F1 to F2 to F3 to F4 to F5. All the values are look at, please. Please, all of you concentrate. This is most important. F1 to, please look at F1 to F5. What is the value? 0.52. Red highlighted area, please look at my screen. Red highlighted area, it is 0.52. Is that right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Then F1 to F4, 0.53. Look at my screen, it is red highlighted 0.53.
Yes, sir.
Then point F1 to F1 to F3, it is 0.49. Look at my screen, it is red highlighted. Got it? Now look at F1 to F2, 0.47. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So these are all covariance values or standardized correlation values. That means F1 is sharing variance with F5 by 52%. F1 is sharing the variance with F4 by 53%. F1 is sharing the variance with F3 by 49%. F1 is sharing the variance with F2 by 47%. Which is maximum?
F1 to F5
is maximum.
F1 to F4. F1 to F4.
So this is what called as MSV, maximum share variance. Got it? This is what maximum share variance, MSB. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Are yes or no?
Got it, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now, whatever 4 values I said, add these 4 values divided by 4. Whatever result you will get, that is average share variance. That means 0.52 plus 0.53 plus 0.49 plus 0.47 divided by 4. How much you are getting? 0.52 plus 0.53 plus 0.49 plus 0.47 divided by 4. How much you are getting?
0.5025.
0.50.
0.5025.
Okay, so this is what ASB, average share variance. This is what ASB, average share variance. All of you got? All of you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now come to the standard. Come to the standard. What the discriminant validity is saying? Discriminant validity is saying that the ASB and MSB must be less than ABE. Are you getting? ASB and MSB are less than your ABE.
Yes,
are you
sir.
getting or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, what is your ABE?
0.7 greater than 0.7.
ABE is greater than 0.7, and both the MSB and ASB are less than ABE. Both the MSB and ASB are less than 7. MSB and ASB are less than 7.7. So discriminant validity is proven. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Average shared variance and maximum shared variance must be lesser than average variance extracted. Average variance extracted. In order to prove the discriminant validity. In order to prove the discriminant validity. See, look at the standard. Look at the standard. MSB and ASB must be less than ABE in order to prove the discriminant validity. Clear? So this is another criteria of proving the validity. So we have proved reliability, we have proved convergent validity, we have proved one way of discriminant validity. Another way of discriminant validity is square root of AB must be greater than interconstruct correlation. I will show you by another calculation.
So can you please repeat MSV and ASV less than AV 1 point, please, again?
You have already calculated AV initially. You have already calculated AV initially, that is more than 0.7.
So
Yes,
for
sir.
the first construct F1,
you have already calculated AV from first very beginning, that is more than 0.7. Is that right?
yes, sir.
Now you got your MSB. You got your MSB. Look at my Amos output. Now you got your MSB. Look at my Amos output, which is more 0.452, 0.53, 0.49, 0.547, which is more 0.53.
0.53.
So it is MSB, maximum shared variance. Clear?
Okay.
Now add on 0.52, 0.53, 0.49, 0.47 divided by 4. This is what ASB, average shared variance.
Okay.
So both the MSB and ASB must be less than AV. Maximum shared variance and average shared variance must be lesser than average variance extracted, that is AV, in order to prove discriminant validity. Clear?
Got it, sir. Clear.
That means BSI 1 to BSI 5 are significantly discriminating, separating F1 from F2, from F3, from F4, from F5. That means there is no doubt that BSI 1, BSI 2, BSI 3, BSI 4, BSI 5 will come under F1. There is no doubt. They will come under F1, not under F2, not under F3, not under F4, not under F5. Please listen all of you carefully. BSI 1 will never come under F2, will never come under F3, will never come under F4, will never come under F5. That means whatever model we have specified by reviewing the literature is proven. By reviewing the literature, whatever model, whatever theory we have specified, I have explained model specification, model identification in the previous class. Whatever model we have specified and identified by literature review is proven empirically now. I have specified BSI 1 must come under F1. Clear? So it is proven empirically now because convergent validity, discriminant validity are both justified. All of you clear, madam? Madam, clear?
Yes, sir.
So another criteria is there. Look at here. Last criteria: square root of AV must be greater than interconstruct correlationship. Square root of AV must be greater than interconstruct correlationship. In order to know, see all the calculation I have made you, there is a very handy calculation platform given by James Gaskin, Professor James Gaskin. So please go to if you are online, please type in Google. Please type in Google James Gaskin Start Week. Please type in your Google James Gaskin Start Week. Start Week. Please type in your Google Start Week. Gaskin Start Week. Please Google it. All of you done it? All of you done it? Gaskin Start Week. All of you got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
go
yes.
to the Gaskin Start Week. Please click there. Go to that particular URL. Gaskin Start Week. I am going. Please look at here. Please look at my screen. Gaskin Start Week. All of you are done. There is a resource in the left hand side. There is a resources in the left hand side. And there is a Excel tool. Please download that. Please download that Excel tool. Please download that Excel tool. Have you downloaded, all of you? Please download that Excel tool. Have you downloaded, all of you?
Yes, sir.
All of you have downloaded?
Yes, sir.
Open that. If anybody's Excel macro has not been activated, please activate that. If it's already been activated, then nothing wrong to it. Clear? Clear? Have you opened this Excel sheet? Could you open this like Excel sheet? Could you open this like Excel sheet?
Yes, sir.
Anybody please answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Lakshmikant, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have
Downloaded,
you
sir.
opened? Have you opened?
Opened. Yes, sir. Opened.
Sarika, are you there? Have you opened? Have you opened?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Suman, are
sir,
you there? Have you
Excel
opened?
tool. Yes, sir, got it.
Suman. Suman De, are you there? No. Okay. I hope all of you have opened this like Excel sheet. Now,
It is opening,
go to
sir.
now go to the Amos output screen. Go to the Amos output screen. Go to the Amos output screen. Please copy the entire theme of the standardized regression weight. First make a left click, then right click, then copy. I am doing, look at here, standardized regression weight values. First left click, then right click, then copy the standardized regression weight. Copied it. Go to the Amos output, copy it. Copied it, all of you? Copied it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Are
Yes, sir.
somebody
Copied. Yes, sir.
copied
Copied.
it?
Yes, sir.
Now go to that Excel sheet. Go to that Excel sheet. Just paste it by clicking on F1. 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 Done it? Done it?
Was not able to copy it once again. Can you please explain?
Go to the Amos output screen. Go to
Sir,
the
I am
Amos
on the same screen. Yes, yes, sir.
One second, please. I think I have closed that. One second, all of you, please. Go to the Amos output screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. It has been done. I am able to copy that. Thank you, sir.
Copied? Copied or not? Now, next.
Yes, sir. It is.
Next. Go to the correlation group 1. Go to the correlation group 1 default model. First left click, then right click, then copy it. Go to the correlation values. That is F1 to F2, F1 to F3, F1 to F4 likewise. Copy it. Copy it. All of you. All of you copied it.
Doing, sir. Sir, whatever I copied first, then should I paste it or not?
What is that?
So whatever
Again,
I copied first, whatever I copied it first? Should I paste it before copying others, or I have to copy everything together?
No, no, one by one you have to do, sir. What you are doing, one by one. Copied it.
Okay, sir.
Then
First one.
Yeah.
Then go to A1, then paste it. Like I have done. Look at here. See, sir, you have to copy the standardized regression weight first, then come to the Excel sheet, paste on F1, then go again back to the Amos output file, copy the correlation values, then paste it A1 of the Excel sheet. Please do it, all of you. Do it, all of you.
Okay, sir. Sir, in this Excel sheet, which sheet I have to open, sir?
Okay. I'm sorry. Validity master. Go to the validity master. I'm sorry. Yes. Go to the validity master of the Excel sheet. Go to the validity master of the Excel sheet.
Then, yes, sir.
Then standardized regression. Please listen one by one. Standardized regression weight from the Amos output. Standardized regression weight from the Amos output. Copy it. Then come to the Excel sheet, paste it. One by one, please follow. Do not be hurry. One by one, please follow. Standardized regression weight.
Sir.
Look at my screen.
I have copied.
Sir, please look at my screen. Amos output.
Yes,
look
sir.
at my screen. Copy it
that
here.
That is done, sir.
Then paste it on the Excel sheet, validity master F1, like I have pasted here. See it, like I have pasted here. Done it?
Validity master F1. Okay, sir, but I have not seen this validity master F1. Okay. I am doing
sir, please open the Excel sheet. I think you have not opened the Excel sheet. And go to the bottom. So many files are there. So many windows are there on that Excel sheet. That is a validity master. Achha, any one of you?
No, I got it, sir. I got it, sir. But I could not come to this F1.
F1 means
F1 column. F1 column. Yeah, it is written there. Paste correlation table. First
Yes,
A1
it is written
in
there.
F1.
Yes, it is written there.
Yeah.
Paste,
first in A1
paste
on the same sheet. Yes.
Oh, but I have got A2 only. Paste,
what is happening? Okay. Please see. I think you are fumbling. Please see. Anybody else has done it? Please, any 2 or 3, please say yes or no. Any other 2 or 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done
okay.
It.
Then click. It is written click me. Please click there. It is written click me. Click there. It is written click me. Click there.
Okay, sir. Then
I'm getting some error.
Yes.
I'm getting some error. Forget it.
Yes, sir. I am also getting some error, sir.
Sir, me also getting some error.
So should I click and or help?
Anybody successfully clicked and got the output? Anybody successfully clicked and got the output? Anybody successfully clicked and got the output? Anybody successfully clicked and got the output?
Oh, you said we are to click macro open.
Yes.
Maybe because of that, and for that I have to go to I think to open the macro.
Enable the macro, enable.
Yeah, so I have to go to file. But my laptop is hanging. I have to come once again.
Sir, how we have to enable micro?
Macro. See
how we need
go
to do that?
Go to the file. Go to the file. Let me. Let me do it. Lakshmikant, have you done it successfully?
No, sir.
Lakshmikant, have you done it successfully? See, the anyone who are asking for the how to do, please go to the file. Then
yes, sir.
Somewhere there is a macro enable. I do not know where it is. There is a macro enable. Enable the macro. I could not get it now. Somewhere there is a enable macro. Where it is enable macro? Export, share, export, print, save, open, account, load, publish, export, share, save. Where it is? There is a option macro. So you have to enable it. Anyway, I should not lose the time anymore. Anybody has done it successfully? No. Anybody has done it successfully? Anybody
Yes,
has
sir.
done it successfully by clicking, got the output?
No, sir.
Okay. Anybody has done it successfully and got the output? Now another option I'm going. Please mute yourself. If anybody has been, please mute yourself. Now look at here. Please look at here. Another way of doing, I'm saying. Go to the same Gaskin. Go to the same Gaskin URL and download. There is a plugin folder. Plugin. There is a plugin folder. Please download the plugin for 26 because you are of 26. Once you download the plugin folder, you can put it there. So for the sake of time being, I am showing you. because I have already plugged in. All of you please look at here. All of you please concentrate. I am going to the plugin. All of you please concentrate. I am going to the plugin. Then I am clicking on Validity Master. I am clicking on Validity Master. So automatically it will show me okay. So go to the plugin. Have you downloaded version 26? Anybody? All of you should answer me. All of you should answer me, please. Got it or not? All of you should answer me. All of you got it or not?
Sir, Lakshmikant
Sir,
here,
there are number of files, so we need to download all the files.
No, only the version 26 because I have said
version
the
20. In same I'm talking, sir. In version 26, there are number of files: pattern matrix, Amos 26, Amos master validity. So we need to download all these. In last it is written all.
Yes, all.
All plugin V26 zip, na sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Download it and save it in a single folder. I don't know for my laptop also it is not operating. Bapan, please mute yourself. Bapan, please mute yourself. So done it, all of you. Okay, I think I should not waste the time. Till now, the convergent validity and discriminant validity is proven. Clear? In the next class, I will show you. All of you, please draw your. May I draw your attention? Because of the technical error, we
Yes,
could not
sir.
show other. May I draw your attention, all of you? Because of the technical error, I could not show the quick access or quick calculation. In a single click, the calculation can be done. So because of the technical error, I could not show you, but definitely I will show you tomorrow. Please, may I draw your kind
Yes, sir.
attention, all of you, please? All of you, please. Now, by this time, the reliability and validity has been proven, except this, the third criteria, that is square root of AV must be greater than interconstruct correlationship. I could not done it because of the technical error, because that is a very quick access or a single click calculation. So a very important thing of the yesterday's class I have left, a very simple theme and important theme of the yesterday's class I have left. Please look at the yesterday's class. Please look at the yesterday's class. Look at my PPT. My PPT is visible. My PPT is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday
Yes, sir.
I have shown you. Yesterday I have shown you the CFA, which is of first order, but there is a second order CFA. All the CFA I have done. Please look at my screen. All the CFA I have done. This is first order. That means only one latent variable, one level of latent variable. Suppose Suppose look at the output. Look at the output, the exact output. Look at the output, the exact output of my scholar. Look at the output. The buyer-seller interaction he has measured by 22 indicators, yani ki 22 items of the questionnaire. That means 22 questions of the questionnaire. By reviewing the literature, he got that one construct can be credibility, another construct can be convenience, another construct can be compatibility, another construct can be caring, another construct can be comprehension. So under credibility, BSI 1 to BSI 5 he has identified and specified. So without writing credibility, simply I have written F1. So what he initially judged effectiveness of buyer-seller interaction. Effectiveness of buyer-seller interaction. He initially judged effectiveness of buyer-seller interaction by 5 construct. So that means the 5 construct are coming under effectiveness of buyer-seller interaction. That means these 5 constructs are coming under effectiveness of buyer-seller interaction. Please look at my PPT. Please look at my PPT. So this is one construct, that is credibility, another construct, that is caring, another construct, another construct, another construct, 5 construct, and these 5 construct has been measured for measuring the buyer-seller interaction, effectiveness of buyer-seller interaction. The first construct has been measured by 5 indicators. Second construct has been measured by 5 indicators. Third construct has been measured by 4 indicators. Fourth construct has been measured by 4 indicators. Also, 5th construct has been measured by 4 indicators. So these 5 constructs are the first order CFA, and ultimately they are forming, look at here, ultimately they are forming effectiveness of buyer-seller interaction. Ultimately they are forming effectiveness of buyer-seller interaction. Effectiveness of buyer-seller interaction. So another latent variable or construct has been built up of. So this is what called as second order CFA. The first order CFA is this F1 to F5, and F1 has been measured by 5 indicator, F2 has been measured by 5 indicators, and rest of the 3 constructs F3, F4, F5 also measured by 4 indicators each. These 5 constructs, yani ki latent variables, or simply we can say factors, are ultimately building the effectiveness of buyer-seller interaction. Hence, 2-level constructs has been built up of. So this is what called as second order CFA. This is what called as second order CFA. So till now I was discussing first order CFA. Now you should understand the second order CFA. This I have already sent this PPT to organizer. The organizer might have been shared with you. Now look at here. Look at here. This is a simple diagram of second order CFA. This is a simple diagram of second order CFA. The first order CFA, these 3, and this is the second order CFA. If the first order CFA you are calculating no second order, then this will not appear. Then this will not appear. Look at here. Look at here. If only this much will be there, look at my PPT. If only this much will be there, then this is first order CFA. If we will say, I have taken one of the famous article figure. So that author has measured knowledge, skill, and attitude. Knowledge, skill, and attitude summarily building training transfer. I have taken a very famous article figure. Summarily, these 3 constructs are measuring training transfer. Now coming to my example. Summarily, please come to my example. Summarily, these 5 constructs are measuring one second order, another latent variable, that is effectiveness of buyer-seller interaction. Let me go there, second order. Look at here, look at my figure. All of you please look at the credibility, convenience, compatibility, caring, comprehension. These 5 constructs has been measured first. Then these 5 constructs are building ultimately the effectiveness of buyer-seller interaction. Here it is written EBSI. So now the entire figure will be called as second order CFA. Now the entire figure will be called as second order CFA. Now you will ask, sir, if you are making the second order CFA, then why you have made such covariance? Why you have made such covariance initially that I have done for you? Look at here, why you have made such covariance? Why you have made such covariance? Because to calculate the validity and reliability. Unless and until you covariate, you cannot calculate the reliability and validity. So in order to calculate the reliability and validity, we have covariate. But our duty is to go for second order CFA. Why I have gone for second order CFA? Because of literature review I got, buyer-seller interaction can be effective if the seller will have credibility, the seller will provide convenience to the buyer, the seller will be compatible to give the service, the seller will be caring for this buyer, and the seller will comprehend everything regarding the product and information to the buyer. So we have measured credibility by 5 indicators. Again, these 5 indicators we got from the literature. We have measured convenience by another 5 indicator which has obtained from literature. Again, we have measured compatibility by another 4 indicators. We have measured caring by another 4 indicators. We have measured comprehension by another 4 indicators. Now these 5 constructs has been measured. Now the second construct or the subsequent latent construct, that is buyer-seller interaction, effectiveness or buyer-seller interaction will be measured. So like this you have to measure, like this you have to connect now. So let me go here to my own operation. Let me cut everything. Please all of you do. Let me cut all the covariances. Let me cut all the covariances. Please all of you cut the covariances so that you can operate by yourself. Let me cut all the covariances, please. Let me cut all the covariances. Let me cut all the covariances. All of you cut the covariances. All of you done it? All of you done it? Or yes or no? All of you done it?
Yes, sir.
Now take the oval shape. Please click on the oval shape. Now make it a oval shape here. Now connect it. Very simple, by single-headed arrow mark. By connect it. Now I'm connecting it. 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 Now I have done the second order CFA. I have done the second order CFA. Here I need to name it. Here I need to name it. It is EBSI. I need to name it. I have named it. Please all of you name it EBSI. Please all of you name it EBSI. Named it. All of you have done. Anybody can answer? All of you have done. Anybody can answer?
Yes.
All of you have done?
Yes, sir.
So please listen carefully now. Please listen carefully now. How much the F1 is explaining the variance of EBSI? Definitely not 100%. So how much is explaining, rest is error. Likewise, how much of variance of EBSI is explained by F2? Definitely not 100%. How much is remaining? That is error. Likewise, how much of variance of EBSI is explained by F3? Definitely not 100%. Something is left out. In reality, that is error. So all the error let me attach here. So all the error let me attach here. I have attached error term. Look at here. I have attached the error term. Now my second order CFA is over. Simply you can understand in the layman point of view, the single-headed arrow mark is touching from one oval to another oval. To the oval it is touching, an error symbol you have to attach. An error symbol you have to attach. Otherwise the Amos will not operate. And the logic I have shown you, logic I have explained you, that F1 cannot explain 100% variance of EBSI. How much is not explained? That is error. So I have attached an error. How much of variance of EBSI has not been explained by F2? What is not explained? That is error. So another error I have attached. Likewise, another error in F3. Likewise, another error in F4 and another error in F5. All of you have done this much? All of you have done this much?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me resize it. Let me resize it so that it will be beautified. So that it will be beautified. Now second order CFA is drawn. Now second order CFA is drawn. Let me beautify it by the pen. Let me beautify it by the pen. Beautification is done. Now again I need to calculate the estimate. I need to calculate the estimate. So go to the data sheet, go to the file name, go to the data sheet, go to the file name, select the or locate the file where you have saved, open, then OK. Now my data sheet has been incorporated to Amos. Then go to the analysis property, go to the output, already selected what I wanted to get. Now go to the calculate estimate, click there. Either you can go by analyzing the property, analyze then calculate estimate, or directly click on this window. That is a icon, calculate estimate. So click there. It is calculating. 5 variables are okay. Sorry, another step I have forgotten. See, the errors I have not named. The 5 error I have attached, I have not named it. So you have to name it. Go to the plugin, name the unobserved variable. Now I have named it. Look at here. Go to the plugin, click on unobserved variable. Now the 5 error term you have attached just now will be automatically named. Now save it. Saved it. Then let me click on the calculate estimate. Now yes, successfully estimation is going on. Successfully estimation is going on, but still some error is showing. I do not know what is that error. Let me operate here. Is it? It is happening successfulully here. Why it is not happening here? Somewhere there is a problem. Sorry. See, out of this, all of you please look at here. Out of the 5 relationship of EBSI to F1, one must be constrained as 1. Anyone must be constrained as 1. Please click on anywhere. Please click on anywhere of the any arrow mark. Please click on double click. All of you please double click here. Anywhere you double click. Double click. go to the parameter and put 1 regression weight. Out of the 5 regression arrow mark, on any particular arrow mark, double click it. On any particular arrow mark, double click, then go to the parameter, then put 1, any one. So one relationship you have constrained as 1, so that based upon that relationship, rest of the 4 relationship will be calculated. This much of mistake I have done, so it has not been operated. Now I am okay, I think. I am okay. Let me calculate. Now see, successfully it has been run, so that the upward arrow mark red highlighted. All of you have seen? Please answer. All of you seen or not?
Yes, sir.
Please answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now click there. Look at here. Click there. Look at here. The F1 is near about 70% important for EBSI. Same is the case for F2.
So this is standard or non-standard?
Please ask me again.
This is standard or non-standard?
Standard.
What you are asking?
So this one
Standardized.
He's asking about standard or unstandard estimate.
These are all standardized. These are all standardized. Because I have clicked the standardized.
Yeah, unstandardized would give you the 1 that we could see the 1 there. Yeah.
Yes. No. Go to the standardized figures. Go to the standardized figures. Yes. Right. You are right. Unstandardized is more than 1. Go to the standardized estimates. Click there, and you will see the regression weight of F1 on EBSI is 69% or 0.69. A regression weight of F2 on EBSI is 0.7. A regression weight of F3 on EBSI is 0.74. A regression weight of F4 on EBSI is 0.71. A regression weight of F5 on EBSI is the highest, that is 76%, 0.76. So effectiveness of buyer-seller interaction carrying more importance for the F5. What is that F5? What is that F5? Let me see here. What is that F5? F5 is comprehension. That means more the buyer will comprehend the, more the seller will comprehend the buyer. That means extensive explanation regarding the product. Whatever buyer is asking, he is answering patiently. So this is carrying more importance to make the buyer-seller interaction effective, because it is carrying 76% weightage. Comprehension is carrying 76% weightage to make the buyer-seller interaction effective. 76% weightage to make the buyer-seller interaction effective. Look at here, 76% weightage. 76% weightage to make the buyer-seller interaction effective. So that means the comprehension is carrying maximum weightage to make the buyer-seller interaction effective. And almost all are near about 70%. So it is a successful second order CFA. Second order CFA you can go then only whenever your literature or existing theory or existing model do support it. Otherwise you cannot go it. All of you are clear? All of you are clear till now?
Yes.
All of you are clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. So tomorrow definitely I will show you how to calculate in shortcut manner all the validity and reliability. Tomorrow I will show you how to calculate the validity and reliability in shortcut manner. That means that is a James Gaskin macro Excel file. Those who could not do it, please today, looking at the YouTube or anything else, your Excel file you should enable macro enable. It is very simple, just one click. Going to the security features, click on the macro. Generally by default, macro is disabled. You need to enable the macro macro. Going to the security features of the Excel, of that particular Excel sheet, enable the macro, and tomorrow I will show you how by a single click all the reliability and validity measures can be done by a single click. All the reliability validity measures can be done by a single click. I will show you tomorrow.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
this is Lakshmi.
Hello?
Tell me.
So, it is possible to create a third order CFA, fourth order CFA if required?
If your theory permit, but I don't feel that any theory will say that is a third order or fourth order. But,
okay, sir.
but theoretically it is possible. But practically it is not possible. Why? Suppose I am saying I am trying to make the buyer-seller interaction effective. For that purpose, I need to measure the caring, convenience. Then after making my buyer-seller interaction effective, what else? There is no answer. Do any theory, do any model, do any literature support the argument. If not, then your argument is false. Your argument is vague. But theoretically, you can say third order is possible. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other question? Any other doubt? Any other doubt? So I hope today is over only for some technical error of that Excel sheet. I could not show you how by one click you will calculate every validity and reliability. I'll show you tomorrow. Definitely I will show you tomorrow if possible, because of my laptop is not permitting, and here in the office the power is gone. So I could not made it from my PC. So had I been made it by PC, then it would have done. See, the new laptop, the original Microsoft Office is not permitting all these outside Excels. So tomorrow I will enable it and I will show you. All of you are clear till now? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. This is fine.
I think
so nice
I think because of the technicality, most of you are sleeping and most of you are dormant.
No, sir.
No, we are listening to you. That is more important. To get more points, we have to listen.
Okay,
so that is so fine of you. So kind of you. It is a great learning.
Thank you. Thank you all. So thank you all. If anybody is having any doubt, otherwise it is over to organizer.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Once again, good evening, one and all. It's a nice interaction session. On behalf of ASBM University, I would like to thank Professor Saroj Kumar Sahu sir. So it's a nice interaction for our participant, and I hope all the sessions will more interacting whatever we have next 2 to 3 sessions. Once again, thank you all the participants, and thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.